It is Saturday. Today is laundry day, but we are not going to do laundry. We are going to the wedding. I hope I'll be able to take you along. I've just woken up. My bed is still a mess. I'm going to do my bed right now and start to bath and prepare to go to the wedding. The first thing every day I do, when I wake up, I sit down in my bed, I open a book or my Bible, I read, and then after that, I'll open my windows, I'll make my bed, and before I even go to the kitchen, I start by making my bed before I will go brush my teeth and do other stuff. But today, I have terrible allergies. My allergies don't allow me to use a normal blanket. I only use cotton blanket, and this one you see here, that's why you will see I'm using 2 blankets to cover my bed, because here this time it is winter, it is very cold. I cannot use only 1 blanket, I have to use 2. This duvet or this comfort, I'm using 2 comfort because it is very, very cold. Not very cold, but sometimes it gets cold during the night. So that is why we need 2 of these, so that we will not get cold. As if you've seen the other blanket, it's not doing well. Been sick, is sweaty at night, so we are using this one to cover our sheet bed so that he could be comfortable, not the sheet get wet. So yeah, our bedding to get wet because of the flu that is going through. Hey, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and then let's go and attend this wedding. If everything goes according to the plan, maybe I will vlog that. If not, we'll see, because we are afraid of other things that we should not be doing. Okay guys, love you so much, and thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support, and thank you for loving me, and I love you a lot. Thank you. Bye. So guys, as I've shown you before, this is my, as you have seen, it is in my bedroom. This is my shower, like my bath place. This is where I take my bath. Usually when I take my bath, I take away the smell, so I will be able to bath here, and then so that I won't spoil it with water and get it wet. And then, as you can see, my bathroom is empty. This is where I put all of my stuff. Basically, this is where I put the things that I use to bath and everything. As you can see, this is I put them here. This is where everything's happening. So you can see down here, this is where I try to organize my medication. This is where I put all of
my medication here, and here I put the things that I use to bath. This is empty, and I'm gonna put this here. Yeah, so this is my bathroom / office. This is also my office, and everything just get mixed up. This is where I put all of my as you can see, this is my printer. This is my printer. This bag I put my makeup, because I don't have, let me put it here because it is also in the same space. This is where basically my small office where everything is being put. As you can see, my tripod. I went to buy this tripod and it's not doing what I wanted it to do, because the camera is too heavy on this tripod and it does not hold a phone. So it's just something that this camera that I'm using right now is too big, too heavy for this tripod, and it's not doing me any good.